Hey everybody, I'm Ananya Mishra from class 6th F and today I'm going to share my leaves collection with you all. So let's start. This is my leaves album or book. So here I have added a black sheet with two yellow strips and I have made here a leaf branch and leaves book. So let's enter it. This is the front page of my album. So, here are the two plants' leaves. One is Tinosphere cordifolia, which is gilloy, and the second is grape's leaf. Let's move to the second page. This is a bale plant. This first leaf is an orange leaf. The second one is guava leaf. The third one is chili leaf, and the fourth one is curry leaves. The next is lemon leaf. This is Indian hawthorn. This is Ficus microcorps. This one is codium. This is mango leaf. It's starlight ficus plant. This is brinjal leaves. This is sugi. This is Juniperus bermudian. This is Euphorbia titimeloides. This is betel leaves. This is money plant. Here we have three same shaped leaves. One is Areca palm. The second one is Dracena fragrans. The third one is Macrosomia. At the very last we have Tulsi leaves. So this was all about my leaves book. So bye bye.